Other new arrivals, the 1938 Packard 12 1607 series convertible coupe. I like long names. Packard Ivory over black. One of possibly only 8 left in the world.
Wow.
Long-term ownership. 470. These have big motors, too. 473 cubic inch L-headed V12.
V12.
3-speed synchromesh manual. Luxury and opulence. Nicely restored and preserved. This thing is big.
Yeah, no,
It's sitting right there in our main showroom. When you walk in the door, you cannot miss it. It's on the right-hand side. It looks almost, Packard Ivory is almost a yellow, kind of like the color of my shirt.
It is.
If you're on podcast, you won't know what I'm talking about. But if you're on YouTube, where we like you to go, then you'll know exactly.
And subscribe.
And subscribe. Yeah, please subscribe. Everybody, please subscribe.
And hit the
Tell
bell.
Your friends and ding, ding, ding.
Yeah, well, there are new uploads every day, I tell people.
There are new uploads every day.
Fantastic.
And then our show uploads every week, usually on, well, it's going to be Saturdays now. So every Saturday there should be a new Classic Auto Mall show, unless we've decided to take a week off.
That's right.
This is the closest I have to a bell.
That's
the one we like.
Yeah, it's the ching ching cat down down down. That's the cash register sound. Pink Floyd Money.
That's right.
Yep.
That's the song. I knew there was a song related.
That was a long stretch for that.